You run, you run.
This is the Hip Hop Pharmacy, and I am your big brother, Rah The RefleX, and that was brand new music from your boys, Bell Biv DuVoe. They are back with that hit single titled Run. And speaking of running, it's time for the running of the Bulls, as your Chicago Bulls have ran all the way to Cleveland, Ohio to face the current and reigning champions, the Cleveland Cavaliers. It's going to be a family reunion, y'all, because the hometown hero, Dwayne Wade, is facing King James tonight. You know that's going to be a good game. And speaking of families, the Jackson family, the first family of Pop, has just added a new family member. But you got to read all about it by following me on Facebook.com/the Hip Hop Pharmacy for all of the details. And here is the proud mother, the one and only Janet Jackson. You ain't going to get no sleep, Janet. You know you ain't going to get no sleep. Here is the Hip Hop Pharmacy coming right at you. Keep it locked.